Hello, hi everyone.
Hello.
Normally the webinar is 1 hour, but lately it's been dragging out because there's a lot that we will share. So I want the section to be interactive. I want you to ask a lot of questions. The more questions you ask, the better. And when I go through the presentation, if you have questions, ask me right away. But try to ask a relevant question. If it's not relevant, wait to the end. Okay? Wait to the end if you have anything that's not relevant that we are talking. That way I can keep the presentation flowing. Okay? So today's webinar, I will share with you about Loan Factory, about me, what I do, what we do, and what benefit we offer you. And we also show you, let's say if you join Loan Factory, how do we close a loan? How do we move the loan from the beginning to the end? And also the marketing, the thing that I do to get a lot of loans. So, and of course, I want to open up for all type of questions. You can ask me anything, but if anything that's not relevant, wait to the end. Okay? So try to ask a lot of questions, try to interact, because this is the best way for all of us to learn. Okay, and try not to chat because I want interaction. You speak up so people can hear you and know the question and listen to the answer. Okay, so I'm going to start now, and I'm going to show you our website. I'm going to share with you my website, and here is our website.
What is TODET? TODON.
Here's our website. You can see. First, I think you have a little bit of noise. Okay, so you can see on our website, my strength is the technology. The website will do most of the work for me. I myself close around 70 loans a month in the past many months. So I rely a lot on technology. So as you can see on my website, right now I rolled out to 12 states and here's the term and condition. So basically the borrower will upload, the consumer will upload the LE, and I will get back to them if I can beat it or not. If not, I can close the loan and I pay them $1,000. So as the loan officer, you should promote this. And when you promote this program, your client, your realtor, they know that you have the best rate and they want to work with you. So the key in any business is you have to be able to run marketing. You have to be able to promote yourself. You have to be able to show to others that you are different and better, right? Imagine there are over 100,000 active loan officers out there, and if you are just one of them and you have nothing better, how can you expect the client will come to you, right? So you need to do things better, and you will see that whatever I do better than most loan officers out there. So this $1,000 loan rate guarantee will help me impress everyone out there. Again, the trust that I have the best rate, and they trust me right away because I give them $1,000 if they cannot beat it. So imagine you join Loan Factory, you can promote this. Your realtor and your client would love to come to you, right? So, and then the second thing on the right is you see our pricing engine, and the consumer or realtor or anyone or even the competitor can click on it and check the rate. So you can see the rate. You can see the rate here. Let's see. This is an FHA loan. So let me switch to conventional. So this is our pricing engine. We built it. And it is, I would say, it's better than Loan Shifter and other pricing engines out there. The reason is we have this affordable homeownership program. It will help borrower to determine if they qualify based on their income. So let's say if you select the income at $144,000 a month, then they qualify for these LLPA waiver and home ready. They can click on it to see more, or they can expand it. So most of you should know about an LLPA waiver here. And you can see the rate. Notice that right down here, you show our loan officer. So this is how Loan Factory try to help you. We have a lot of users go to our website every day. And the user would love to pick someone to work with. So imagine you are here. And let's say you are Russian. And the client also Russian. They would love to work with you, right? They will locate you and want to work with you and connect to you. So you can see, let's say Terry, yeah, and you see Terry has a website, whatstherate.com, and you can check out his website. And this is his website. We built a website for him. I'm not sure why his avatar is broken. Okay. So we build a website for all loan officers. You have one website. And the website, we have the pricing engine, we have loan application, we have everything. So we build a website for you, and it's free. At Loan Factory, we give you all the software for free. The LOS, the POS, the CRM, the pricing engine, everything is free. We give it to you for free so that you don't have to pay for any of that. And let's go back to the rate right here. The rate is 5.25%, amazingly low. And you can expand it to see more lender. So you see 5.25, right? So here's the ranking of all lender. Provident had the best rate. AD Mortgage, VIP, Rocket, Mutual, Omaha. So you see the ranking. And I'm pretty sure European is somewhere down here. And so how many of you here work with European right now? Many? Okay, wow, that's a lot. So I'm pretty sure European is somewhere down here. The rate are high. The rate are high. And we want to help our clients. We want to shop around for that. One thing I feel sad is so many loan officer out there or broker out there. We call ourselves broker. We're supposed to work for our clients' benefit. We have the fiduciary duty to help them. But at the end, I would say 80% of us are not shopping around for them. We send the loan to a convenient lender, one lender only. And we don't shop around, we don't make sure they get the best deal. And that's what's sad. I don't do that. And, I always shop around for my client, and that's why they love me. They appreciate me. Every loan that I have, I always shop to make sure they get the best deal. So here, you can see the rate, right? And I want to share with you about this program that helped me get so many new clients. You can see the 2-1 Buy Down program. I think some of you might not even aware of this. This is a great program, the best program right now. And most of you don't even have and cannot promote this. So this program is for purchase, primary resident. Loan amount to be $50,000 or less. And the income have to be 80% of AMI. So this is the 2-1 Buy Down. And the lender will pay for the buy down. So let's say 5.375%, right? You click on it, you can see the breakdown. You can see the broker compensation 1%. That means at loanfactory.com, we set the default to 1%. And if you want to compare your rate right now with your company versus Loan Factory, you can set the compensation at 1% and then you can compare. And we see all the breakdown here, total adjustment and all the adjustment right here. And if you click here, you can see the detail of the 2-1 buy down. So the 2-1 buy down, the rate is 5.375. However, first year only 3.375. Second year it is. So imagine you can promote to all your realtor and client that they can get 3.375% rate on the first year. You promote this, you show them this table, and they can save this $7,500. This is the best program because it's easy to qualify. It's easy to qualify. 4 conditions: purchase, primary, $350,000 or less in amount, and 80% of AMI. So let's say if your area is in Houston, right? Then in Houston, the income have to be 76,000 or less to qualify. You see how easy it is? The system easy to help you locate a good program for your clients. I don't think Loan Shifter has this. Many pricing engines don't have this. So we try to help you. Even a lot of loan officers don't know these guidelines, don't know how to do all of this. So we have this to help everyone. Hi, Tracy.
Hi, nice to meet you on Friday here at the Utah Mortgage Expo.
Yes.
Thank you
Yes.
for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
So as you're going through this pricing engine, this is the client-facing pricing engine, correct?
Correct. And as the loan officer, you see the same. And I'm going to show you later on. Right now, I just show you the client-facing pricing engine. And every loan officer, we have a pricing engine like this, a website like this.
So does that, the client-facing pricing engine, do we set our comp on the back end so that when our
Yes.
clients are looking at it, they're seeing the rates with our comp built in?
Correct. So you can set it up. If you want to make 150 or 200, you can set it like that. And the price will be adjusted automatically. You can decide to hide the lender name. You can decide to have only 1 or 2 lender on your pricing engine or all lender. We give you the power to decide all of this. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Tracy.
Yes.
Let me continue. So there are many things that you can do. You can copy a link here, and then you paste it on the social media to share with everyone, to share with the whole world. You know, let's say you join a group and some client asking for a scenario. What, you know, someone quote me this rate. Can someone tell me this is good or not? Or can you have better rate than this? And then you can run the pricing and you can share the link. Or you can screenshot it and post it. Or you can click an image right here to download it. See, you download it and you can open it right here. And then you can post this image on social media. Imagine, see how fast, how easy it is to do things. It's ready to be posted. You click on it, it's ready. And you can also compare the 30 years and 20 years. There's many things you can do. And then you compare with 15 years. And then you can compare 3 rates together. You can see that with 15 years, the borrower saved $229,000. And then you can share this to your client. Yeah. You see everything I do, 2 to 3 clicks. Really easy, really slick. Even better than that, you can even compare the current loan for refinance. You know, you can enter information for the current loan, because some client will say, I want to know the benefit. Can you show me the difference between my current loan and the new loan? So this way you can share, you can select, let's say they have 28 28 years, 27 years, 6 months left, blah, blah, blah. You can enter information, you can see the difference. You can see the difference. So technology is amazing. You can send someone a text message with the rate. You can, share the link and all that. Hi, Fred. I'm gonna hear you.
I wanted to ask a question about, like, I'm new to Loan Factory. I love this technology, but what would the best practices be for me starting out? Like, the comp level, which lenders to put on there without me having to fumble through it. Do you have recommendations that way?
Yes. So I'm gonna answer you, but for everyone else, please wait to the end because
Sure.
I want to finish it. But
Yep,
I'm
yep.
gonna answer you now anyway. So I shared that in Utah. When I started the business, I was new, just like you. And most of the newer loan officer, you don't have the experience. You don't know much about mortgage. So if I were you, and what I did, this is what I did. I'm willing to work really hard for my clients so they know that. At the same time, I shop around all the lenders. I give them the best rate. And I don't expect to make much. On every loan that I do, I'm happy to make $1,000 or $1,500 per month.
Yep.
Because my goal is not to make money. My goal is to help my client make sure they're happy so that they can spread around. They give you 5-star review. They tell their family and friends about you. So that's how I grow my business 17 years ago. And yet follow that principle. Work hard for your client. They can see it. Give them the best possible rate. No one can beat. If you stick to that, you can grow your business.
So
Because
then
when
are
you
you
do that-
recommending? I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Go
when
ahead.
you do that, you can learn so much. You will learn so much. You become an expert. And when you become an expert, so many people will come to you and ask you to help them.
So as I put, as I put my comp on, are you saying like start at half a, 50 basis points so that I've got really low rates and just, start there so I can,
Correct. Correct.
catch people's attention, do a good job for them because I naturally want to do what's best for them first.
Yes. So 2 weeks ago, I present in Dallas. There's one Indian broker. He made 50 bps per loan. And he closed so many. He closed 50 loans a month right now. So everyone have different strategy, right? You need to know your goal and what you want to accomplish.
Yeah.
And at Loan Factory, we support you. So it's easy to close a loan and your client will be happy with you. So at Loan Factory, if you want to close a lot of loans and scale up, this is perfect for you. We help you, we support you so that you will spend 90% of your time on the front end. Go out there, build relationship, bring in clients, do social media and all that. You don't have to worry about the back end, the paperwork, the processing, the technology. All of that, leave them to me. We take care of it for you. Okay. And let me take a little break and share with you what benefit we offer you. So at Loan Factory, we build our own tech platform and we give to you for free. So with other broker, you have to pay for the LOS, the CRM, the pricing engine, and all that. At Loan Factory, it's free. You don't have to pay that. I will be providing the training loan officer. I want all of you to be good and successful. So I will be helping you and guide you. Free marketing support. We have a team of 10 persons in our marketing department. They will help you. If you need a customized image, you need to edit the video, you need to run an ad on Facebook or YouTube or Google, they help you for free. Okay. We have an underwriting department. They will help you. Let's say you have a difficult loan, you don't know how to calculate DTI, they can help you. If you have a non-QM loan and you're not sure which program you should go, or you can go, you don't know which lender can do it, our underwriter can help you. They have, this is what they do every day, right? So they know the guideline, they know the lender, and they advise you, oh, for this scenario, you should go with this DSCR or loan or bank statement, blah, blah, blah. And they will tell you which lender, what rate, the guideline, all that. So they help you. And that way, you don't have to say no to any lenders or to any of your clients or realtor. You know, as a loan officer, the worst thing is to say no to your client or your realtor. They say, I want this loan. Can you help my client? And you say, I'm sorry, I couldn't find a lender. It's so bad, you know. So at Loan Factory, we solve that problem. We can do almost any type of loans. Any type of loan. I will get into that later. Hi, Alex. Hello, Alex. Okay, I will continue and come back to you later. I'm sorry, we cannot hear you. So at Loan Factory, you don't pay any monthly fee, no desk fee, no junk fee, no nothing. So if you don't close anything for 6 months, you pay nothing. And you only pay when you close a loan. So every loan that you close, you get paid 100% commission that lender paid to Loan Factory, minus a flat fee of $5.95. So on every loan, you have the right to adjust how much you want to make. You can make 250 or 50 bip. It's up to you. If you want to help your client, go ahead and charge 50 bip or 100 bip. I don't care. You help your client. And you only pay Loan Factory $5.95. And this is the lowest in the industry. Everyone else out there charge more. And we also charge only $500 processing fee, which is also the lowest out there. Okay, all other companies charge more for processing fee, $800. And even better than that, our processor will handle almost everything. Right the moment that the loan is ready to be submitted, they jump on, submit the loan for you, issue the disclosure, work with the lender and bring it all the way to funded. You don't have to worry about compliance. You don't have to worry about document preparation and all that. You know, a lot of companies like 𝐶2, you need to do a lot of work after funding to send them all the paperwork to get paid. At Loan Factory, you don't have to do any of that. All you need to do is go in and click a button and request commission, and that's it, get paid. Simple and easy. You can be 1099 or W2. Most loan officers choose to be 1099. In 13 states, you have to be W2. And I will go to that list later on. We also have company lead in 42 states. And it's not guaranteed though. A lot of clients go to our website, they fill out application. And those clients, it's not a lead anymore, it's a loan. And we give it to the loan officer. We pay only 25 bip because this is a loan. The chance that you close very high. And you do very little work because the processor take care of most of the work already. The good thing is you get paid 25 bip and the client is yours. You're going to be the loan officer. You're the main contact. And in the future, if the client buy more property or refinance, they are yours. They're working with you. Okay. And when you refer another loan officer, we can pay you up to $5,000 referral fee, referral bonus. So here is, I'll show that here. So 3 things that help you become successful. Any loan officer out there, 3 things. Super low rate so that you can compete and win. Excellent customer service so that clients love you and trust you and love to work with you, and they will go around and tell everyone else about you. So you need to provide excellent customer service. And In order to offer this tool, you have to have the best technology. If you don't have good technology, you cannot provide excellent customer service. You cannot have the low rate. So at Loan Factory, we give you all three. You can see how many 5-star Google reviews that we have. Rocket, they give a 10 basis points special, and I give it to you. I don't keep it. So that's why our rate are very good. We shop around every day. So here are the number of lenders that we have, almost 200 lenders. This many Google review. We only get 5-star review. We don't ever get 4-star or less. You can click on it to see the breakdown as well. So we gather all the review together. The internet is weak. So I will try to speed up a little bit. Rocket gives us a lot of perk. So they give it 10 basis points special. They give it no EPO policy. So no EPO with Rocket. They give us 15-day free extension. They help us improve credit score, and they don't charge us anything. They allow us to pull credit report on their website for free. So because we are big, we can negotiate and get a lot of good deal from the lenders. This is how to become a lender. See compensation here. So let me go through this quickly. You get 100% commission minus $595 and 500 processing. But if you are W2, you get only 90% of the commission, not 100. Okay. And for referral, if you refer a loan officer to Loan Factory, we will pay you up to $5,000. So here's the pay schedule. So if you refer someone that closes 50 loans a year, 50 loans a year, then you get paid $5,000. This is our referral bonus. Hi, Tracy.
Oh, I'm unmuted there. So the referral bonus, what if I join Loan Factory and I'm bringing a team with me?
We can give you a bonus too.
3.
Yeah.
So do we get a referral bonus, or is that just if we refer a loan officer that's not coming on our team?
If you bring your team member, we can give you a bonus as well.
Nice. Thank you.
Yep. So bring 10 or 20. Bring more.
Yes, I will.
Yes. So let me log into our system and share with you. Alex, you have questions?
Yes.
Alex?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. On lender paid compensation, can we set our own compensation for Rocket, for example? Or is it at 2%? Do we have to go borrower paid if we go below 2%?
Okay.
Or 200 basis points?
So let me explain with you. We set our lender pay compensation at $250, except California, everywhere except California. California, we set at $200. So that is lender pay. And lender pay is fixed. We cannot change. And it applies to everyone in the company at Loan Factory. So $250 is the lender pay. You cannot change it. No one can change it. We don't want to change that. However, if you want to lower your comp to help the borrower to be more competitive, you can switch the borrower pay and lower that to 200 to 150 or 100. It's up to you. You can lower that. So that is if you send a loan to our wholesale channel. We also have correspondent with Rocket, and as a correspondent lender, we can charge whatever we want, and we don't have to disclose to our clients. So on the loan estimate, on the CD, the borrower don't see our compensation.
Okay, and is there any difference for us I'm a broker in California. Is there any difference for me to go correspondent as opposed to wholesale with
Yes.
Rocket?
Right now we keep wholesale and correspondent the same pricing, same everything. The only difference is we charge $300 per loan for correspondent.
300
Yes,
extra on top of the 500.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. But the
Okay.
pricing is still good, the same, and good. Everything is the same.
Okay, because on VA Earl, if I go borrow paid, I'm capped at 1%, correct?
Yes. Correct.
That's why I'm
Correct.
asking. Okay.
Yeah. So let me log into the system so that you can see more. So this is our website. I will show you the pricing engine first. So here's the pricing engine, the same, but then you notice that down here, we can change the compensation. You can change it to 1.5 or 2% or anything. And then you can run the pricing again. So now, because we make 2%, you see the rate is higher. Because the more you make, the higher the rate for your clients.
Yeah, of course.
So you see rate are higher now, right? 5.875. If you click on that, you can see the breakdown and you can see broker compensation 2% here. So it updated automatically for you. We keep everything simple. And you can see the lender give us 10 basis special from Rocket. So, and then on a loan here, the borrower can apply, then see if they qualify or not. The system, you enter the income, and then the system will calculate DTI and tell you if the client can qualify or not. And the same thing, if this is a pre-approval letter, you will see the button here to issue the pre-approved letter to the client. One click, done. Let's send out the pre-approved letter. And the system will allow you to cap the maximum loan amount and maximum purchase price so that the realtor and the client can issue their own pre-approval letter, subject to the limit, to the maximum. Let's see.
Then how do you go to correspondent?
Very easy. Here you can change. Right now it's both. You can.
Oh, there it is. Okay, I see it. Okay.
Or you can leave it the way it is, and you can leave it the way it is, and it's correspondent here.
Gotcha.
So when you have a loan, and when it's ready to be submitted to the lender, what you do is you convert it to a loan. You select the channel, you select the lender, you select your account. You enter all of those information, and the processor will follow your instruction. They will submit it to the right channel, the right lender, the right compensation that you want. They take care of all that for you. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. And
one more
yeah,
question.
Go ahead.
Sorry. Do you have a preference on title and escrow? I'm in California, or do
It's
we
up to
use
you.
our own?
You can use your own. Yes.
Okay. Oh, one more thing too, since you're here. Netted payoff, or your processor? Do your processors order the payoffs? Obviously, I'm sure
They do everything. They do everything.
Can they order netted payoffs?
They order the payoff. What is
netted? So
what is that?
if they currently have an escrow balance, to include the escrow balance into their payoff, so they're not getting a $6,000 check after close and coming in with cash up front.
We can do that for you. I'm not sure if the lender will do that or not. It's up to the lender.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But we will do almost everything.
Okay.
We do insurance, appraisal, we do payoff, we do everything. VOE
Perfect.
and all that. Yeah.
Awesome.
Juan, I have a
Go ahead.
question.
Yeah.
Can I register the loan to Rocket right now, and waiting for the rate to drop and I lock it, or do I have your processing register the loan?
You should have the processor help you. my advice is, as the loan officer, you should not spend time doing this. You let the processor do everything for you.
Okay,
You should
so if the, if the
sorry?
rate,
Amen to that.
yeah. So if the rate correspond and the wholesale the same, then I shouldn't be going to correspond because I'm paying more fees, right?
Correct. But if you want to hide the compensation, you don't want the borrower to see your compensation, you should go to the correspondent channel. And I'm still debating, I might remove that $300 extra. So I might do that.
So for buyer pay, it doesn't matter, right? For buyer pay, they're gonna see it no matter what.
Correct. No. If you go with correspondent, they won't see anything.
Okay, so right now I will, my clients already fill out the loan application through our website. So I'm going to be contacting the processing to have them uploaded to register loan with Rocket right now, right?
Yeah, I think you have been onboarded right now. The way you talk, you're onboarded with Loan Factory. Yeah, go work with your processor or the support team. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
you can go to the marketplace here. Let me share with everyone our marketplace. It's beautiful. Our marketplace is where you can go here. You can see we have 214 lenders. You can talk to the AE of this lender right away. You can click on it and you can join a live webinar, a live meeting to talk to them. Or you can see information about if they do TBD approval, they approve with us. They can do what kind of loan, the turn time, and then this and all that. You see the review. So this is the marketplace. And even better, let's say if you have a private loan, you want to do a private loan, you can see these are the lenders that can do private loan. And let's say if you have to close in 5 days. So you can email all of these lenders. You can say, you can write out, I have a private loan that must be closed in 5 days. Can you help me? Can you do it? So you can send out an email to all of these lenders. That way they can get back to you, save you so much time, and you can get the answer quickly too. So you can do that. And when you post that, it go to the lender finder, and you can see when you post a question here, the lender respond back to you. So here is where you post the question. And Loan Factory is where you can see we have support specialists. If you have any question, go here and talk to the support specialist. They can guide you. So that way you don't have to wonder how do I do this? How do I do that? Go here and ask questions. We also have an underwriter here who can work with you to help you if you have underwriting questions. If you have a non-QM scenario, you don't know where to send to, go here and talk to her. So we have the schedule. And if you can go here, you can get the support from them. Hi, Curtis.
Hi there. Yes, thank you for taking my question. Just one quick question. How does Loan Factory handle credit reports? Do we have the borrower, do we have an option to let the borrower pay for those, or do we pay for those up front?
Okay. So every loan officer will have an account with our credit vendor, Advantage Credit. So each of you will have an account. You will be responsible for it. So if you order, you pay. However, the website that we created for you, when the borrower fill out an application, you can turn on the option to allow the borrower to pull credit report and pay for it. So that way you can avoid paying credit report.
Yeah, I'm new to this business, and I've not filled out a single loan application for a client. I heard about you guys. So my question is, it looks like you have a lot of good things in this loan factory, a lot of free stuff. What is the catch?
What is the catch?
Yes.
We want you to work hard and make money. That's all. And to be honest with you, in the near future, if you stay with the company for 6 months or 9 months and you still don't produce, you should leave. I mean, everyone should work hard and make money. That's all I want you to do.
So
Yeah.
what are the requirements? If I say, hey, you sold me, I want to join today, for example, what do you need from me?
I need you to work hard and help your clients to make money. That's all. You are an independent. You are a business owner. You need to go out there and get clients and make money and close loans. So that's what you need to do. It's for your own sake, for your own business.
Do you have resources? For example, after the meeting, after the Zoom meeting, is there a web where I can go and learn more things other than in the Zoom?
You have to learn from all other people out there.
No, I mean in your website, do you have a section where you can go read up some documentation about what
Yes.
you're telling us today?
That's why you need to wait until the end and you ask me. But there's a lot more I haven't shared with you.
Okay.
And try to wait to the end if your question is not relevant. Wait to the end, please. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
So,
Can I ask a question?
yes. Hi, Rocky.
Hi. I have a question towards the credit report.
Yes.
So I understand that when you pull a credit report, you have to pay for it, but I don't know. You said you can turn on the option for the client to pull the credit report and pay for it. I don't believe that that's a smart move or a smart option, because they pull their own credit report, they have it, you have no involvement in it. So how is that doing anybody any good, you know?
No, I think it's up to the borrower, right? They want to see the report.
No, I understand. No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cut you off, but I don't believe, so if you just allow them to pay for it and have their own credit report, then you don't have a client no more. You know, they can take it and go anywhere else. They can shop it, but
They don't do that.
But they're not going to get that rate everywhere else. They're not going to get the best rate at other companies.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
understand. Yeah, no, I understand. But if you're in control of your credit report, I feel like it's you know, you're in control of the client. But so you have that option. You were mentioning something about you can get into the Rocket website and pull a free credit report or something. What is that all about?
Yes. So if you want to save money and you know that you're going to save money to Rocket, you can wait. And then you can have the processor submitted to Rocket and pull the credit report at their website.
But how do you know what the so you're kind of going in blind. You don't know what the guy qualifies for. You're just gonna say, okay, let's try to submit. Rather, if you pull a credit report, you know what they qualify for, you know, kind of a thing, you know?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
And I'm, you know, some loan officer prefer the borrower to pull it and show a tree. But for me, all of my loan, I pull and pay for it. So every month I pay $1,000 credit report.
Yeah. Depending on the knowledge of how much you have in the industry, that's what it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Rocky. So you see here on the events, we have a lot of events every day. We have a lot of events coming up. September 17, September 17, 18. We have a lot of events for you to learn. You know, becoming a non-QM plus reverse specialist, fundamental of mortgage process section, overcoming loan processing hurdle together. We have weekly sales call here internally. And then our Jessica Endo, our Chief Operating Officer, will go over prospecting. You know, we have a lot of training. And the one that we finished, the completed event, Some of it you can watch it, like here.
Can I say one more thing to everybody that's listening?
Yes.
And for you as well, sir. You know, I was been a mortgage broker for 20 years, and I gave it up. You know, when the economy got bad, and I got in. I have a lot of mortgage knowledge, sales teams, and I know exactly how it works. But now, you know, laws changed a little. You have to be licensed for 2 years before you can broker and stuff. So I decided to join the Loan Factory. They seem like a great company, a great fit to land. And I would like to offer to whoever that wants to go big, because I'm taking this to the next level with the Loan Factory. I will probably fly out and meet the team in San Jose. If anybody wants to join my team, I can promise you once I start, we can probably do at least 100 loans a month, and I can show you how to do it. So if anybody
Okay.
wants to join, please let them know.
Okay, thank you. So at Loan
Thank you.
Factory, we have this. Let me share with you. So we have team concept and mentorship concept. So you can join a team, and you can become a team leader. You can have your own team, or you can join a mentorship. So you can join a mentorship. Your mentee will pay you. So we allow people to work together and help each other. Okay. So any question before I move on? So you see, this is our dashboard, and you see how many loans I have here.
Hey, Roger.
Yeah. See
I'm
all of the loans. Hi, Harry, you have a question? Okay. So at Loan Factory, we break down the pipeline into 3 pipelines: leads, prospect, and loan. So let me start the process. Okay. At the consumer, they go to our website, right? They go to our website, and they will check the rate. Let's say they check the rate, and let's say they like our rate, they will proceed to apply, right? They will proceed to apply. I'm going to go over the whole process so you understand, okay? So they will fill out the application. I want to buy a home. Our seller accepted my offer. So they will enter their information here. So here, as soon as they fill out the email and password, we create an account for them. And we ask them if they want to use AI to help them fill out the application, or they want to fill it out manually. So the consumer can use AI to fill out application. And the consumer can just upload this document in here. And AI will read it and fill out application for you or for your clients. In this case, I can fill it out manually. And then this is the application. The consumer can fill it out and fill out the application, right? So there's 6 pages of application. It's pretty standard, but we keep it really short. So we have 2 types of application: short application and full application. And then at the end, on the last page, the borrower will upload document. Okay. I will try to speed it up, so I don't want to show it to you, but I can show you on the staging server. Let's see how it looks like. So our AI application helps so much. Cut down the time to like 2 minutes. Cut down the time to fill our application to like 2 minutes. And our AI will be able to calculate DTI. Next month, we will release that feature. It will help calculate DTI for us. And here is the prospect. The prospect means application. So here are all the application. Remember, this is a station, not a real website. I just show it to you. Because the regulator doesn't want me to show the client name to the public. So here, let's say when you work with Loan Factory, you have the prospect pipeline. It shows all of the application. And you can see that this application is 41% completed. This application is 100% completed. And you can see all the to-do here. You can see all the to-do. And borrower might upload it to you. They might upload the document to you. You see? And if they upload it, you can see it right here. You can click on it to see it. And if you click on it, it looks good, you can clear it. So you can clear condition right here. And then the remaining condition, you can email the borrower. So for example, you remind a client to upload documents. And when you send it out, it fill out everything for you automatically. And all you need to do is preview and send it out. So we make everything so quick and easy. We don't want to spend 50 minutes to write an email. You know, we automatically know what we need from the client and send it out for you. So this is the condition. But on every loan right here, you can see from this page, you can see all the important information. The loan amount, is it a refinance cash out, the current rate, the target rate, conventional loan, the loan is not completed, 41% completed, 25% ETI. So this is a loan application. And let's say this loan is ready to go, ready to be submitted. What you need to do is I would run a pricing. If I were you, I run a pricing to determine which lender I should send the loan to, right? So I run a pricing here. So here I see the pricing, and let's say I check all the lender. I see TPO Pro has the best rate. So I create a rate tracking. And when the target hit or every day, I set it to every day. So when I do this, I would call my client up and say, hey, Kevin, thank you for filling out the application and upload documents. I have reviewed your loans and I think it's good to go. So I'm going to submit the loan to the lender now. The lender will approve your loan within 24 hours. Meanwhile, can you check your email? Can you check your email and monitor the rate? If you like the rate in there, call me so that I can lock the rate for you. So with only one simple phone call, you explain to the client what will happen next. You explain to them that they need to monitor the rate for you and tell you when they want to lock rate. So you can see that I shift the responsibility to the borrower. You know, during the pandemic, I have more than 1,000 loans in the pipeline. I didn't have to call them every day. Imagine 1,000 clients. How can I call them every day? So I create a rate alert for them so that they can check their email for the rate, and they tell us when they want to lock the rate. So I created this, and I call the borrower to tell them to monitor the rate for me and call me when they want to lock the rate. So now borrower upload document 100% complete. Alert is created. Now you will convert it to a loan. And when you convert it to a loan, this is a CMT index adjustable, but we will want to have a 30-year fixed, conventional, refinance. So basically, you enter the information, and then all of the information populate for you. You can see the LOA here. You can convert it to a prospect, and then the borrower, the processor will work on the loan for you. The processor will work on the loan for you. They will submit the loan. We have a turn time. The borrower have to submit your loan in 4 hours. And they have to touch your loan every day so that the loan can move forward. They have to escalate if they run into problem. Okay. So any questions so far before I continue? So you can see that the process that we created is do-it-yourself mortgage. The borrower is the one that do most of the work. They check the rate, they monitor the, they fill out application, they upload document, they monitor the email, they monitor the rate, they tell you when they want to lock the rate. So they do most of the work. And because they do most of the work, they give you 5-star review. They're happy. They're in control. They see what's going on. They always involved and they love you. And that's why at Loan Factory, when you work at Loan Factory, you will get 5-star review from your clients. So far, we got all 5-star review for our clients, for our loan officers. Here, O'Neill.
Hey, I'm not sure if this is the right point to ask this question, but I wanted to make sure that I heard you correctly. You mentioned that during the pandemic, you had about 1,000 loans in the pipeline.
More than that.
How will you get that kind of volume?
Good question. You can see the screen here.
And can you show us how to do half of what you're doing?
You can see Scotland guy here, right? And this is 2003, which is last year, and I'm number 7. But if you look at the previous year, you can see here. You look at here. This is me, and I closed $2.4 billion, 6,600 loans 1 year. So that means I have to have over 1,000 loans in the pipeline, and that means I have to have another at least 1,000 loans in the prospect pipeline.
Is that for your team? Is that for your team, or is that for you by yourself doing that?
Me, by myself. But then, of course, I have a big team to help me close it. It's the team concept, right? I'm the team leader. I bring in the deal. And then my team member will help me close it.
Yes.
So this is exactly what I want all of you to do. I want you to not worry about the back end. You go out there, get to know 10 or 10,000 people so that they know you. They know that you're good. They know that you have the good rate, good technology, good process, good reputation. You need to go out there so people know you. And when they need to have a mortgage, they reach out to you. They do loan with you. So my secret is simple. I can share with you. My secret is super simple. Here you go, the website, right? The website has the pricing engine, the rate, everything. And if you look back 3 years ago, 4 years ago, during the pandemic, everyone wants to refinance. And when they want to refinance, they want to have low rate. And I'm well known to have low rate. I have the technology. I advertise a lot. So people hear about me, they go to our website, they check the rate, it's good, they apply, that's it. And we use technology to make the loan process so simple. We make the loan process so simple because we have the technology. And, you know, with other broker or other lender, at Loan Factory, you spend half of the time or half of the work to get it done. Because we have the technology, we have the good process in place so that we can close loan fast and easy and no trouble. And that's why I close so many. And this is just one little record of me. Remember, I built the whole thing, software, all the software. And if you look at how many 5-star review I have, 7,000 5-star reviews. And it's a perfect 5-star review. It's possible. You think it's not possible, but I make it possible. So if you do the right thing, then you're going to be successful. But if you don't know and you don't do the right thing, how can you be successful? And this is one little example. You know that you need to have Google review to collect review and show to your future clients, but most of you don't do it. And most of us know that nowadays you must be active on social media, but then most of you don't do it. And that's why you're not successful. So yesterday, even though I was so busy, I spent like 3 hours doing video. I start doing video now. I have no choice. Even though I'm so successful now, I'm forced to do social media. I cannot resist that. And you too, you have to do the same. So that's why when you work with Loan Factory, you work with me, you see the best practice. You see what you need to do. And you have to do it. Making money is not easy, right? You see that people out there work their butt off to earn $20 an hour. And here you want to make $2,000 per loan. And you expect that, and you don't work hard, and you expect it, the client will come to you and give you the money. It's impossible, right? But that's why I said you have to work very hard. You have to prove yourself that you have the best rate, the best technology, the best process, the best service, so that everyone loves you and come to you. Yeah. Okay. So let me move on. So you convert the loan, and let me explain why I'm able to close that many loans. The borrower check the rate, they fill out application, they upload document, they monitor the rate, they tell you when they want to lock the rate. So they do everything themselves. They have an account, they log in, they see what needs to be done, they know everything. And then our processor work closely with them too. So because of that, me as the loan officer, I don't have to spend a lot of time with my clients. It frees me up. It allows me to spend more time on social media, on advertisement, on building a relationship with loan officer and existing clients. So that way I can produce more. I spend most of my time originating, bringing deals. And I delegate. I have my staff, my processor take care of the loan for me. And that is exactly all of you should do. You should delegate. You should focus, become a good loan officer. You don't have to be a good loan processor. Your job is not a processor, you know. So let me share with you a few more items. So on Marketplace, we have third-party vendor, we have announcement, and then we have subscription. You can have a newsletter subscription. You can have a rate update email or text message subscription. So I send out my rate alert, rate update to this many loan officer. I send out the rate update, a text message to this many loan officer. I also send it to the realtor. So you can do all kinds of buyer agent rate update. 10,000 realtor receive my rate update daily. So I email them, and some of them I text them the current rate every day. That way I stay on top of their mind. That's why they know that I have a good rate. And you can do the same thing. You can work with 10 realtors and then add it up to 20, 30, 40. Then you stay in front of them, let them know the rate, you educate them, and they will send business to you. So subscription, and then referral tracking. This is what I do. You know, every day, this is a client referred by this person. So every day I have a team calling the referrer and say, thank you for referring these people to me. That's how I do it. You know, so you can learn from me, review. So every day I got a lot of review. See a lot of review I got every day. And what I do is I generate the image and share it. And then I also write a response to I can view it. I can see the content of review here. Everything on my website. I can write a response. So this is how I get things done. And I can claim it. Some of my processor write a response here. So we have a lot of review coming in every day. We track that, we work on it to make sure all the future clients love us and trust us and want to work with us. I have a mailing list where I send tons of email out, like all the loan officer, 46,000. I have all the Vietnamese lead, 6,000. I collect database and I try to stay in front of them. I can send email to all of them. Mailing list. So you have to use mailing list. And I have email drip campaign. So holiday, I send them holiday email. Realtor, same thing. I have follow-up campaign. For the closed loan, annually, I send them an email. So I turn on this email drip campaign so that I can stay in front of them. Marketing here is really cool. Marketing material. So we have tons of marketing material. You can listen to see loan program. So I can promote any of these programs. VA, conventional. I can generate. I can promote the current rate. Here, you can see we have internet is so slow. See, you see every day this rate, this scenario, the rate is updated daily. So I can promote 5.49 rate by clicking on this image. And then here is the rate. It's generated automatically. I can do 15-year rate as well and then promote it. I can promote a purchase home possible, a 2-1 buy down. I can promote a rate and term refinance, no point, no cost. I can promote an FHA loan. I can generate the meat and fat, holiday. And these are, when you click generate, it will use your logo, your name, your information. Review, you can generate the image. Mortgage term news and all that, right? What else? Facebook ads. You can connect to your Facebook and run ads. So you heard about Lead Hacker, right? Lead Hacker charges you $350 a month. Here, we build it for you. You can use it free. Free. Lead Hacker version. So you can just turn it on, connect to Facebook and run ads. It's free. We build it for you. We help you. Okay? And you can write article and publish it on your website to get more traffic to your website. Marketing campaign is where you run ads and can track the result. Lead setting is where you can create a lead funnel. You heard about lead funnel, right? So you can have a lead HELOC funnel, 1+ funnel, home ready first funnel, and then you promote it. You promote on social media and people interested, they click on that, they go to your website, you collect the information, it becomes your lead. So you can create this lead funnel in 30 seconds. You can select a template and create a funnel. If you go to Bankrate or LendingTree, they use funnel. They ask the consumer question, and they collect all of that and they sell the lead. So you can generate your own lead.
Which one?
Yes?
Sorry, this is Mona. Nice to meet you face to face. So, what about non-QM products? That's my niche. So I'm trying to see what you have on the marketing.
Yes.
And on like
Marketing
that.
is not much to promote non-QM, but you can promote that. You should, sure. So let me go to that later. But here, Google My Business Management. So we know that we want all of you to have Google My Business account. So we create a way, instruction for you how to get it, and we help you. If you need help, you can click on it. We help you. And here is the non-QM. You see, we have pricing engine for QM, and here's the non-QM pricing engine. You can run a scenario, purchase, investment, DSCR, and you can see the pricing. We have 6 lenders now, and we added more. So you can change the parameter. You can change the parameter, and you can see the lender here. So what is your question, Mona?
No, that was my question, like on marketing and the pricing, because usually with non-QM lenders, they always tell us to not depend on the pricing engines. You always check on our website and our pricer to make sure the pricing you get on any LOS is accurate, you know?
Yeah.
So the same applies here, correct?
Yeah, you can run the pricing engine here, or you can check with the lender website, run there, and then you can rely on our underwriter to help you, or you can reach out to the AE directly on our marketplace. On the marketplace here, you can filter by non-QM, and here we have all of the non-QM lender, 121 non-QM lender. And then you can talk to them live. You can click on here. You can talk to them live right here. Yep.
What's the process of adding new lenders? Let's say, because like a very weird scenario, like a boat or a private jet purchase.
Yeah.
What's the
So
process?
basically, what you do is you go here, you type in the lender name, you see if we have it or not. If not, we can sign them up.
Okay.
We can sign them up. We're adding more and more every day.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mona.
Thank you.
Hi, Madhu.
Hello, sir. Just trying to ask you the question. You said that on the Facebook, it will capture the leads from the Facebook and provide to us, right?
Yeah, so basically, when you can, there's many ways. You can launch a lead funnel and promote it. And any lead that you get, it will show up on the lead funnel, on the lead pipeline. Or if you run an ad on Facebook, and if we have any lead, it will show up here as well. You can see here Facebook ads. So we run Facebook ads and it show up here. You can see right here.
Oh, these are all derived from the Facebook?
Yes, this is what we get on Facebook. You see the date here.
Okay. Thank you. Great. Thank you so much.
2:32. That means this one you added a minute ago, 3 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, you know. So these are the leads that we get from Facebook that we run.
So what other marketing, I mean, social media that we get the leads from there? So what else? Just the Facebook or any other we have?
This is my campaign. This is what I do. You can do anything you want. You know, the goal is to create a lead funnel, promote on social media, any platform. And then as long as people are interested, they tap on it, they click on it, they take it to your lead funnel. That's one way. Or you can run an ads on Facebook, on any platform. And people, when they see it, they like it, they tap on it, We capture the lead and it show up here on the lead page and you call them.
Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you. Thank you.
I have a question on the interest rate, right? So it seems like everybody is sourcing from similar lenders, wholesale lenders. So how do you compete on interest rate?
Yes. So the good thing is you are right. You are right that broker are shopping around with many lenders. The problem is so many brokers out there. I would say 80% of them are not good. They go with one lender only or two lenders. They don't have the resources. They don't have the ability to work with 100 or 200 lenders at the same time. And because they don't do that, they cannot shop around like us. You know, when you join Loan Factory, you know that we work with 200 lenders. So what you do is every loan that you have, you check the rate. You check the rate like what I do right here. And you pick the lender that has the best rate and you send it there. You don't have to worry how oh, this is a new lender. How do I submit? How do I make sure I know the system or the process? You don't have to worry. Let the processor handle that. We perfect the process. We allow you to send your loan to any lender. And you can see right here, right? On any given day, on some scenario, VIP is better than Flagstar, better than Provident. So you can see the difference also a lot too. VIP mortgage better by more than 1,000 compared to Rocket. Compared to European, probably 3,000 better. But so many, I would say, lazy broker and loan officer out there, they are super lazy. They send all their loan to Europe, US. And because of that, their pricing suck. Their pricing is not good. And therefore, they cannot compete against you and me. Right? And that's why I am successful. That's why I'm able to compete and win. So many people come to me because they trust me. They know that I shop around. They know that I give them the best rate. And that's why they come to me. So you should do the same. You should shop around every single loan. Make sure the client got the best deal.
So you build this all yourself, this comparison tool between different vendors, wholesale
Yes.
lenders?
Yeah, we work with these lenders, all of them.
Mm-hmm.
We work with 200 lenders. And when you join our platform, you can submit your loan to any of these lenders.
And so some of them do only borrower paid, some show or both lender or borrower paid. Now this list here that shows the comparison for like borrower paid only or lender paid.
All of them, you can
filter.
You can do lender pay or borrower pay with all of them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Okay.
It's up to you. Yeah, you can do lender pay or borrower pay. And you can see, let's say you have some weird program, bridge loan, or fix and flip or foreign national. You can select it, and then you can see 69 lenders that can do foreign national. So, like I said, we can do almost any type of loan, 51 lenders. So we can do with any type of loan. That way, a small broker, for sure, they cannot do this. They only work with a few lenders. And when they see a difficult loan, they cannot help, they cannot take care of that loan. And almost done. So we also have an academy training. We call that academy. So we offer these classes, and we encourage all of you to take classes when you join Loan Factory. It's just a good practice. And I'm gonna provide another training about pricing engine and refinance. I'm gonna provide training on that. So we offer you a lot, but we only charge you a small flat fee. That's it. We want you to be successful. Hello, Andrew. Hello, Andrew. I will come back. Look like you have a problem. Hi, Don. Hello, Don.
Yes, hi, thank you. Incredible tech. Well done. This is
Thank
just
you.
a couple of quick questions. Is it 1099 paid at the time of funding, or is it systematically somehow?
Oh, your question is it automatically?
Yeah, is it 1099 paid at time of funding, or is it by monthly or by weekly?
We use technology. Everything we do is technology.
Okay.
So when the processor take the loan all the way to fund it, and then you can go in, you can click a button to request permission, and we will pay 3 times.
Okay.
So look at the request. When you request, we look at it. Every other day we look at it, and we approve it, and then we will issue it to your account.
Very good. So if you're W-2, do you offer any other benefits if you choose W-2?
Most people don't like W-2.
Yeah, in those states that you have to.
Yeah, exactly. So if you are licensed in one of the 13 W-2 states, you have to be W-2. You have no choice. So either you're W-2, if you want to be 1099, you have to avoid these 13 states. You have to avoid the 13 states.
Can you go over the states, please, Tom?
It's on the website.
Yeah, on the website, you can be 1099 or W-2. California, you can be 1099. If you are in 13 states, including, let me see what state, I should show it here. Here, I have it here, let me share it with you. So the 13 states, including Illinois, Nevada, South Carolina, North Carolina, New Jersey, Massachusetts, Rhode Island. There's 13 states that you have to be W-2. You cannot choose. Yeah.
So, Thorn, with the example that you gave of one of your loan officers having a specific website, well, of all the advertising that I'm doing, obviously I get a dedicated landing page that is your brand, or, I mean, I don't want my ads driving to search for different loan officers, right?
So we will create a website for you. You can have your own domain name. You own that domain name. You purchase that domain name. We make it work so that that website is yours. Everything is yours.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and it's free. Yeah.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Last question. Why isn't the $1,000 guarantee in more states? Just curious.
Oh, good question. You know, when we first launched it, a lot of loan officers and brokers got freaked out, and they hate us because, of course, they hate us.
Yeah.
So even the attorney, they jump on and criticize, and some of them even reported to the regulator.
Wow.
So my attorney told me that you need to tone it down, even though there's nothing wrong with it, but you don't want to cast the attention of the regulator. Okay. And then they will, nobody can be perfect, 100% compliant. And if you draw their attention, they will scrutinize, they will look at your business, and they will dig out something else. So that's why initially we roll out 3 states, we added more and more and more. So eventually we will cover all 50 states. Yeah, thank you, Don. Hi, Richard.
Yes, I have a question regarding HECM's home equity conversion mortgages. And is there a way you have specific lenders that specialize in those?
You mean Texas, right?
No, I'm in Florida and South Carolina.
And what is the name of the program?
It's called it's like a reverse mortgage, but the more modern day term is home equity conversion. It's like 62 years of age and older, you have
an FHA reverse mortgage.
It's a reverse mortgage product.
Yeah, then you can go with reverse mortgage, right?
Yes, reverse more, but I like the term home equity conversion more. Reverse has a negative connotation, but
Yeah,
you know, but what
we
I
have-
like to see is, sorry for interrupting, is a way that I can structure. I know their approximate value, their age, and I want to be able to manipulate the margins and the you know, the monies dispersed at closing and so forth. But
Yeah,
it seems
we have-
like I can't do that with who I'm with now. I used
Oh,
to be
really?
able to do it. Yeah. And so what I
Yeah.
like to do is go in and know, you know, key in their names, their age, there's, you know, the relative, you know, property value.
My advice is to reach out to this lender. You can click on them and talk to them, or you can just email them all. Yeah, click.
What's
email.
that?
You can email your scenario, your question to this lender. They will answer.
Yeah, that's the thing I don't want. I don't want to email it. I want to do it. You know, I want to provide the initial quote. I want to see whether it works before I do that.
Let's reverse mortgage. So I don't know how to answer yours, but if you work with our underwriter, they can advise you. Yeah.
Okay. All right. But your company, of course, has, you know, you have lenders that do. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you,
Got it.
Richard.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Andrew.
Hey, Tuan, thanks so much. Hey, can you kind of walk me through the onboarding process to make sure my loans get on board during the transition of my license?
Yes, the onboarding process, we automate this process as well. So basically, right after this meeting, either today or tomorrow, someone will reach out to you and see if you like, if you have any feedback, if you want to join now or you don't want to join, that's fine. But if you want to join, then we will proceed to sponsor you. You can log into NMLS, update your employment, and give us the access right so that we can sponsor you. And during the transition, you can temporarily submit loan, but then I will be the loan officers. And then as soon as your license is sponsored by Loan Factory, we will flip the loan back to your name. So there shouldn't be hiccup. I mean, there shouldn't be problem because the loan, you can proceed with the loan under my name. My team will take care of the loan. And normally to switching company, it take only about 1 week only. So there shouldn't be a problem.
Okay, one question. So for the states that we are not licensed in, how is that going to work out?
Oh, so you don't have a license, you don't have a license. If you want to get licensed, we have instruction. You study like 2 hours, normally 2 hours, and you apply for the license and we will sponsor you. That's it.
But is there any, like here, sometimes, like, for example, I'm only licensed in 3 states, but I get a loan in Massachusetts, for example. And so, is it like, and I have to like immediately submit the loan? Can I use another loan officer that's licensed there and proceed with the loan? Or I need to be licensed definitely to do the loan?
So we are a little conservative. We only pay when you are licensed. If you are not licensed, we cannot pay you unless you are a W-2 loan officer. Then you can refer to me and we will pay you a referral bonus. Only if you are a W-2 loan officer. If you are a 1099 loan officer, we cannot pay you at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any other like company fees that you deduct from our gross commission on if we choose to be W-2, or just a regular like income tax in our state?
Normally, if you are a W-2 loan officer, you get paid only 90%, not 100%. And then when you get the check, you can see that the state and federal will also withhold some of your tax. So you get paid even less.
Yes, yes, that's true.
Yeah,
So that 10% will be deducted automatically from our gross commission.
correct,
Okay.
correct. That's
Thank
why
you.
W2 is not desirable. W2 is not good for most people. Hi, Andrew.
Okay.
Hi, hello, Andrew.
You already asked my question, Tuan.
Okay,
Answered.
cool.
Yeah.
Hi, Nick.
Yeah. So, yeah,
Oh.
yeah. So I probably I missed this. I was so the 3 states where you're giving that guarantee, lowest rate guarantee. Which are those 3 states?
Oh, actually, we expanded to more than a lot more. Texas, Colorado, Washington, California, Georgia, Arizona, Florida, Illinois, Virginia, Kentucky, Minnesota, and Wisconsin.
So are we saying that there are no other brokers who are doing the same thing where they have partnerships with several lenders?
Oh, no, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Remember, this is marketing. We are running a
Right.
business. So this is our marketing. This is how we get clients. We need to have a way to promote ourselves so that the client will come to us. So we take risks. We run this program. We take risks so that we hope that if we lose $1,000, we win 5 other clients. So that is the risk that we take, and we're willing to take it.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Hello, Nick.
Yes. Hi. I have a question on that marketing. What's the minimum amount that a loan officer has to put into it to make it work? Minimum, maximum?
There's no
What dollar
minimum.
amount?
We do all. We don't care.
Okay.
Yeah.
And as far as the renewal for the NMLS, I did the update on my work history and the credit report. When do I pay the $381 to them? And can that be paid through their portal?
Yes, you work directly with NMLS. And if you have any question, our licensing team can help you. But the best way is to work directly with NMLS. And if you have a question, you should call them. They are very helpful, NMLS.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Nick. Thank you. Hello, Harry.
Hi. Did I understand you to say the sole option for correspondent is Rocket?
Yes, right now we are working with Rocket is our correspondent investor, and we are looking to work with iLending and New Rest. So we try to expand right now.
Okay, so it is something you're going to expand in the
Yes.
future.
We want to
on the 90.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry.
On the 90% payment for W-2, is that just to cover the employer side of the taxes?
Kinda, yes. There's a lot of fee that we have to deal with. That's why if we pay you 100%, we might end up losing money. So that's why if you choose to be W-2, you get paid only 90%. We won't pay more.
Yeah, but you're just covering, I mean, it's just, you have a cost there, right, that you're covering. So that's all.
Exactly. Payroll tax, admin tax, accounting, a lot of more tax, a lot of more things that we have to worry.
I understand. I just wanted to make sure that's what it was. And then lastly, what is your best cost credit reports other than the free ones? What do you have negotiated for credit report costs?
Advantage credit.
For credit report.
Advantage credit, they have the best one.
What kind of rates are you getting there?
I think $70 for the trimers.
Okay. And that includes all the credit
reissuing and
so forth. Okay.
Yeah, everything, the whole package. It's not only one pool, but reissue and all of that.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Mahu?
Hi, Tuan. I have another question also. So you sponsor for the loan officer on the 3 states, right? Without any fee, extra fee.
Can you say that again? I'm sorry.
You sponsor for the up to 3 states, right? Without any extra fee. For example, I am on the state of Texas, and let's say if I want on the California or any other state like Colorado, let's say you sponsor for the 3 states, right?
No. we will sponsor more. But if your license is brand new, it will not cost us any money to sponsor you. So you can be licensed in 20 states, 30 states, no problem. But if let's say you are licensed in 20 states with another company, and you switch to one factory, then every state it will cost $30, and we only pay up to 3 states because we cannot pay too much.
Oh, that's the reason you said, like, if some incoming loan officer from the other company, so in that case you can sponsor only 3.
We
right?
we cover the fee for 3, but we can sponsor a lot more than that.
For example, I have one Texas license now, and I also want to add my California license. I have to do extra course for the California, and then I can apply for the.
We will sponsor you. Yes, you can get 10 licensed states, and we sponsor them all for you.
Okay, thank you.
And it's free. When you first get the license and be sponsored, it's free. But if you switch in company, then NMLS will charge you $30 per state.
Understood. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mom. Hello, hi Nick. Hi Nick.
You answered my question.
Okay, thank you. Hi Mona.
Hi, Tuan. Okay, I have another question. So I have some loans in the pipeline right now that I prefer not to move because it's a lot of headache. So if I choose to onboard with you guys, do I get access so I can bring any new loans to you until those loans are funded here, and then I can like finalize my move to Loan Factory?
So you have loan active now with your current company.
Yes.
And you want to leave it there until you fund it. Then that's what you should do. You wait until the loan is funded, then you can move to Loan Factory.
But right now I'm getting a lot of like new inquiries, and I don't want to put them in this LOS.
Yeah, you can put it. You can ask them to submit to Loan Factory, and you can tell my staff to track that, so that as soon as you join Loan Factory, we move the loan back to your name.
But do I get my logins if I sign up and give you authorization on NMLS, but not finalizing the transfer until those loans are funded, correct?
Exactly. We will onboard you, but not the NMLS. That way you can access our system, you get to know, get to know it and learn it. While you're waiting to finish our loan with the other company.
Okay, I see. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, Mona. Thank you.
Thank you.
James. Hi, James.
Hi. Real quick question here. I'm out in California, so I know you like you said it's 200 basis points. I had a question. So, for example, let's say loan is 1.2 million. I use 200 basis points. What's the cap on the commission? Is it 15,000? Is it 10?
20,000.
22?
20.
20. Okay, great. Thanks. That's great.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, James. Hi, Lakesia.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Good. So I had a question. If we are a loan officer and we're not licensed in a particular state, but we get a loan in that state, is there corporate loan officers, or can we use corporate to still originate those loans?
Yes, we have corporate loan officer to take care of this loan. Yes.
Okay, and then do we still get compensated, or how does that work?
Only if you are W2, then we will pay you a referral bonus. If not, you cannot. However, I recommend you to get the license, because in many states you only need to apply and get a license, and in most states you only need to study like 2 hours to get the license. So it's easy to get the license in multiple states, and you all should have license in multiple states.
Right, but we have to just pay the licensing fee for each state.
And not that much, $200, $300, but you can make $2,000, $3,000.
Okay, Perfect. And then last question, what branches do you have in Southern California?
We have one in Orange County.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Hi, Rick. Let's see who else. Misu. Hello, Misu.
Hello. Oh, hi. I have one question. What system you use? And I hear of other systems like Arrive, like iOS, like LoanPay. I don't know. Just I wonder what system you use and what's your system runs compared to other systems.
Yeah, I said earlier, we don't use any other system. We build our own system. It's so much better than the system out there. It's very easy and powerful.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
We use our own system. We build our own system. So thank you, everyone. I think it's great that I'm able to talk to all of you. If you still want to talk to me one-to-one, you can let my assistant know. They will set up one-to-one schedule. But, you know, we are here to help you. And you can see that we are much better than the other companies out there. We always try our best to help you with all the support, with all the experience that you work with us. You know that we care for you. We want you to be successful. And our platform is so much better with all the support, with all the pricing, and we don't charge you any overhead, any monthly fee at all. So, but then what is more important is you have to do the right thing. As the loan officer, you are the business owner. You have to do marketing. You have to go out there and work hard, build relationship. So we want you to do the right thing. And we see that so many people out there make the wrong move and do the wrong thing, and that's why they are suffering. We don't want that happen to you. So if you join Loan Factory, you have a chance. We have a lot of community inside the community. Every loan officer get together, they chat, they learn from each other. There's a lot more that you haven't seen yet. But you will see Loan Factory. We have a mobile app. We are improving it so that, let's say next month, our mobile app can help consumer and realtor and loan officer. The consumer, they can check the rate, they can fill out application, they can take a picture and send you the document. Those are what we want to help the consumer. And you will see that as a technology company, we're gonna dominate. We're gonna make sure our clients love us and they will always stay with us. So I think that you need to find a true company that will support you, give you all the tools that you need to be successful. Yeah.
Ron, I have one last question, if I may. You provide administrative support, correct? Like processing. Is there an extra fee, like in the event, you know, we want to move on and then you internally process?
Actually, we process in-house. We don't want you to process at all.
Good. Okay.
And we charge only $500.
And you take over. I mean, you call the customer, and of course.
Yes, everything. When the loan is ready to be submitted, we take over. We take care of the loan. We move it all the way to fund it.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Richard. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoy it. And you know, even if you're not ready, that's fine. There's nothing wrong. But I really want you to think hard. I want you to compare your rates versus my rates at loanfactory.com. I want you to compare everything. And our slogan is, we dare you to compare. We want you to compare because your client is also comparing. And if you don't try to get better, if you don't compare, then you will fall behind and you will lose your business to your competitor. At Loan Factory, we move so fast. We are getting better and better in everything. So I hope that you will choose the right company to work for, and I hope that you can be successful. Try to learn from me. Focus on bringing the business. Don't focus on the back end. Focus on building a relationship. You get to know a lot of people. Impress them. Show them how good you are. Show them your good grade. Show them your good service. You need to be able to do all of this so that the people out there, they look at you and they say, wow, that guy is good, that girl is good. I better work with her or him next year when I need to buy a house. You need to stay in front of them, their mind. Then they always know you, they always see you. That's how you get a lot of business. Okay? So thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.